guys, welcome back to my channel Dream to Dream. Hope you guys are doing well and are all safe. So we've come back again with another video for you guys, and this video is going to be very interesting. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, and so the name of the video is My Husband Does My Makeup. So I don't know how much he knows about makeup.
Absolutely nothing.
So this is going to be really interesting, and I would really want to see how I look after he does the makeup. So this is going to be actually a challenge for me, right? I have not given him any kind of hint, and neither have I let him actually watch any kind of tutorials for doing a makeup. So this should actually be a genuine makeup challenge, right? We should try whatever he knows.
You know, kind of all of these items are actually just scaring the crap out of me. Just giving it a shot.
Yeah, I'm sure he's gonna do a good job. Alright, so guys, I've already prepped up my skin. I've applied the toner, the serum, face serum, and the moisturizer. I didn't want to confuse him too much by putting up too many other things as well, which he doesn't know how to put. So these are the makeup products, and let's get started with the video without wasting any further time.
Here we go.
Yeah. Alright. All the best to me.
I have no idea where to start. Okay, this is very interesting.
Whatever you think should be applied first.
You know, I honestly don't know. I have no idea.
Unfortunately, I cannot give him any hints.
This is not working.
Oh my god. He's still trying to figure it out which product to apply first.
I've never seen this stuff in my life. Okay. I have no idea, so here goes.
You guys comment and tell me how he's doing.
I don't know where to start, so let's just start from what the crap. Okay. I have no idea. Ooh. Interesting.
I want to say something, but I don't think I should. I'll keep quiet.
I'm getting somewhere, right? See?
How does it look, guys?
It looks white. You know, for all the while when guys were actually given this information about foundations and things like that, that you thought that it has something to do with building material. So, man, here's a new experimenting stuff. I hope this is actually going to work the way it's supposed to. She's smiling, so I have no idea where I'm going at this. Anything do? This is later. I
Thank God he
guess.
knows that. I was scared that he's gonna spray it on my face right now itself.
No, apparently a fixer is something you fix later. Either that or he's the guy who actually takes care of all your business. What does this happy thing do? Ooh! Interesting. This eye brush, I believe it works like this. I think. I don't know what I did, but
I'll tell you guys later, guys.
what the hell is this do? Okay. Did I remember this right? You get this feeling when you're trying to do something right and it turns horribly wrong. I'm getting those ones right now. In my mind, it's very different. Okie dokie. What the hell is this?
Guys, I'll show you the face a little closer on the camera. I don't know how much you can understand this the light. This is me after a couple of things. Let's see.
Not much. I don't know what is that, so I have no idea what you're supposed to contribute about. I'm not taking any chances. It's good. Life is never that simple. No?
It's gonna be a long.
Yeah, I don't
Long
know.
day.
Man. I have no idea what I'm dabbling with. It is going to be a long day. Okay. I don't know what this is. I'm not messing with that. Is this for nothing? I could maybe get it wrong, but I don't know. You can hear it. Oh shit. Holy crap. I'm sorry. Please still love me. No idea what's happening here. If you were expecting maybe a professional thing that was going to
No, I
happen,
wasn't expecting expecting any professional.
Very, very far away from it. Very, very,
I was
very,
guys.
very, very.
Let me be honest. I expected this.
It's not all that bad.
No, I'm sure it is.
It's a little horrible and scary, but I don't know what to do. Just whatever you try to do, make it a little better, it gets worse. Yeah, I don't know what happens. Smiling is not a good thing. Okay, wait. Let's see what happens. No problem.
Just to show you.
Halloween it is. Halloween it is. What is this, baby? What exactly happens with this? Highlighters for your face and eyes. Okay. Dude. Anytime you want to take over, please.
Fortunately, I can't.
I don't know what to do.
I've given you two options of lipsticks. Whatever you want to choose. See? How considerate.
Yes. But you're giving the wrong guy who doesn't know how to put the lipstick on. Holy crap. In my mind, this happened a lot better. Oh no.
I really don't know what to say.
The canvas is moving.
My dog has come here to look at me. He's thinking, I don't know what has happened to my mother. Thankfully, my daughter is sleeping.
This thing's not working, man. Shit. Okay, maybe it's working too well.
I think so. Let me know once you're done with everything.
When you're going all out for it, you should go all out for it. Yeah, nothing like some rosy cheeks. Okay, a little too rosy there. Ooh. Oops, sorry.
trying to make me horrendous when it's working.
And
Thank God he knows something. That's actually the most important part, guys.
true, absolutely. Get it right all times. I am getting worried. You're smiling, it's going all over the place.
Guys, I've not given him any reaction again.
Yeah, sure you haven't. Yet. I am not getting dinner tonight.
I think so. He's gonna have to buy me dinner.
Well, if you go into a completely dark room with candlelight, it looks great. Don't you think?
Are you done? You want to do something
I-
more artistically on my face?
No, I'm not taking those kind of chances. I'm good.
Okay, guys. So he says he's good. He says he's done with the makeup. So I'll tell you what all he did, what all he missed, and well, the blunders he's done. Okay. Firstly, this is the foundation. He's put so much foundation now. I think I use it in like 5 times. That much foundation he's used. The good thing is that he did cover my neck, so which is
See,
quite good.
they always say
He knew it. Well, I was surprised.
they always say that if you want to make a good building, you need a good foundation. So I went with it.
Okay, if he says so. Foundation. Well, he used the concealer also so many times in so many different places that I don't even want to say how many times.
In my defense, you're supposed to conceal things. So we didn't know what
Well,
we're
he
supposed to
concealed
conceal.
all right. Okay. Third, he forgot to use the powder. And before the third part, well, he used the blender. Instead of dabbing it, he actually rubbed it on my face like my face is a canvas and he's actually painting. He missed the powder, as I said.
So you were going to sprinkle some powder later.
Yeah. He did not use the contour, which I'm glad that he didn't, because I was dreading if he uses it, I don't know what I'll start looking.
I didn't know
So-
where you want to, where you needed the contours exactly. So we said we won't dabble with that.
He forgot the mascara. Okay,
Yeah, I did something with the brush.
he did. He used my eyebrow, the brush. Okay, to brush my eyelashes, and they're so hard. You know how it is, right? They're so hard. He actually poked my eye. Okay.
But you have beautiful
then-
eyebrows.
He's colored my eyebrow. This one is really dark. Matlab he's actually painted in black color, and this one, for that matter, is like half done.
Because this is closer to me, obviously, and that one is that side.
He
so I
left the
can't see.
kajal. Okay. He used the eyeshadow after he put the liner. Okay, and he used the brush and he brushed it like this, painted it again. Okay, and then the best thing, he used the highlighter. Okay, and he highlighted it all over the eyeshadow again.
So you wanted to blend colors, right? You wanted to get something.
I don't
new
even
sweet.
want to get started with the kind of blending he's done. Look, I'll give the man a break, no problem. Okay, blush. He's used the blush on my chin as well. Instead of
Right.
my cheeks, he started using it here and there and all also.
See, if
Okay, I actually quite like the liner that he's put. Yes, it's not a professional liner, obviously, there's little here and there, but he's given a winged eyeliner which is quite nice. But knowing that he doesn't know anything about makeup, well, it's quite nice, guys.
I wanted to connect it to the edge of the eyebrow, but then I thought it was going to
Thank
be
God
weird,
he did not
so-
do that. Okay. Lipstick, well, he went overboard with the lipstick. He wanted to paint the entire face with the lipstick, I think. Right? And he used the lip gloss after the lipstick. So he put the lipstick and then he put the lip gloss.
So the
Right.
lips are it's gloss sort of thing. So
He forgot the makeup fixer.
no, I didn't
And I'm
forget
glad
it.
that he did not
I-
use the
I
makeup
did.
fixer. Alright, guys. So this is. Well, this was expected. I did not expect him to do an amazingly professional job, which I
Yes.
know that he doesn't know anything about makeup.
And one more
This is
reason
only
why
for fun, guys.
I'm not going to give up my day job, and this is what I'll leave it to the professionals.
So, I also want to see myself in the mirror and let me see myself.
You're party ready.
Oh my god. I don't think I'll ever go out of the house looking like this.
See, we started the makeup with a theme, right? So it was, I explained it earlier. It's
Yep.
Halloween and it's
It's Halloween,
It's-
alright.
it's supposed to be only in the night, where under a dark environment where people can't see your face, so you glow.
But
Basically,
honestly, he's done a really good job with the eyeliner. Really.
yeah, not all that bad.
Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to try this with your husbands and your better halves. So
Preferably on a day when you want dinner. So
yes, because he's not getting any dinner tonight. That's for sure. He's buying me dinner for that matter.
deal on it. Deal on it.
So we'll come back again with another interesting video for you guys, and please show us some love, guys. Please share our videos, and please keep enjoying our videos that we take so much time to make for you guys, so that you guys enjoy with us like we enjoy making these videos. And we'll come back again
Yes.
in the next video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.
Take care now. Bye bye.